You can travel around the world or truly explore our country. Perhaps expand your travel in our own hemisphere with the Forest River Salem Hemisphere. What you'll get in a Salem Hemisphere travel trailer fifth wheel is an eye-opener and puts a lot of glamp into your camp. Fantastic features abound even in the smaller HL or Hyperlight travel trailers. All right, let's take a walk through a Salem Hemisphere and see what the hype is all about. You'll enter right into the living area, and while I love to talk about the kitchen first, sometimes it's better to just find out how easily you can relax. And relaxation is top of mind in the Hemisphere living area. You'll get at minimum a very cushy sofa or set of loaded theater seats. Some models give you the best of both worlds, and just to make it that much better, the cushy sofa is a tri-fold sleeper sofa so any guests can nap their day away in comfort. Comfort also includes keeping your Salem Hemisphere at your optimum temperature. You'll be able to do so with a 15,000 BTU quiet cool AC on a racetrack duct system. You'll get plenty of heat via the furnace with its side-mounted heat ducts and the fireplace. All right, let's head into the kitchen. If you want to create some amazing camp meals, this is the place to do it. You'll find everything you need in this beauty. I mean, before we even hit the major pluses in this kitchen, you can check out the subtle ones, like the soft close hidden hinges on the Temple Cherry cabinetry and soft close ball bearing drawer guides. The sink is very deep and most are stainless steel. You'll also get a stainless steel roll-up sink cover for drying dishes, and the residential style high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer is a welcome addition. The sink, FYI, is undermounted into a high-end solid surface countertop. As for kitchen appliances, the fridge is 12 volt and comes in sizes very functional per model type. The HL series has a 10 cubic foot fridge, the standard fifth wheel models sport a 16 cubic foot beauty, and there's even a 20 cubic foot fridge in one model, the Roost. Every model comes with at minimum a 3-burner cooktop complete with a glass cover. You can prep on the glass cover and then simply fold it up and fire up the cooktop. You'll get a sweet residential style microwave, and select models even come with a pop-up power station. Now when it comes to entertainment, the Salem Hemisphere is loaded. First off, they come with a smart TV. At minimum, this TV is going to be a 40-inch one, so you got that going for you. For sound, you'll get a JBL system complete with a head unit, interior speaker, and exterior speakers. Also, you'll find USB ports all over the place. And when it comes to windows, not only will you get leading industry class square windows, but the shades are built in and have reflective thermal foil backing. As for the bathroom, when it comes to the throne, you'll get a porcelain toilet. Now, that may not seem like a big deal, but honestly, porcelain is so much easier to keep clean. The shower has plenty of headroom even in the HL series, and all of them have a magnificent skylight in the shower. As far as showering, well, you can take your time. Every Salem Hemisphere comes with a 60,000 BTU on-demand tankless water heater. You'll also get either a backlit mirror or a mirrored medicine cabinet, both of which are very nice. Let's talk about the bedroom. So first off, you can take your time getting some shut-eye, as most Salem Hemispheres come with the amazing VersaTilt bed system. Simply slap that button and move it into the position you want to watch TV, read, play games on your phone, really just whatever you want. So let's not forget how thoughtful the designers of the Salem Hemisphere line were in providing the handy storage bins under the bed. It's not just a hole to dump things into, but actual storage bins. Storage also includes mirrored wardrobe cabinets on both sides of the bed. As for the exterior of a Salem Hemisphere, you'll find step-above aluminum entry steps and ample storage. Want a lot of space to drop in a grill, camp chairs, or maybe a large cooler? You'll get extra large pass-through storage with slam latch baggage doors. There's power everywhere too. You're looking at a power tongue jack with an LED light, power stabilizer jacks or landing gear, and a large power awning with LED lighting. The awning will keep you and your pet comfy under the elements, and your pet will be safely tethered in the shade via a security hook. All Salem Hemisphere models come with Maxxis radial tires, and that rubber is surrounding black accented aluminum rims. There's other cool features on the exterior too, including an LP Quick Connect, Lippert on-the-go ladder prep, backup camera prep, and a black tank flush. You'll also find laminated Aluma frame sidewalls and floor plus block foam insulation. Underneath is a heated and enclosed underbelly with 12-volt heating pads on all holding tanks, and it helps to keep the critters at bay too. Now, when it comes to towability for the Salem Hemisphere travel trailers, you'll run from 24 feet all the way up to a whopping 39 feet. Now, length is one thing, but weight is a huge determining factor when you're talking about towing too. There's only one under 5,000 pounds dry, and the rest can go all the way up to 9,300 pounds dry. As such, you're looking at vehicles like the Dodge Durango, select Ford F-150 trim models, or a Toyota Tundra. As far as the fifth wheel models, the Salem Hemispheres all run in the full profile category. Therefore, the drive weight is going to be over 11,000 pounds for the vast majority of the models. At 11,000 pounds dry, you're talking a Ford F-250, Chevy Silverado 2500, and up from there. Check your towing capacity via the owner's manual or check it at your local Camping World when you go see the beauty and style of the Salem Hemisphere in person.